Choosing the right web browser can seriously level up your online experience. So let's jump straight into the ultimate showdown: Google Chrome versus Opera GX. First up, performance. Chrome is a known resource hog, often eating up RAM and slowing down your system, especially with multiple tabs open. Opera GX, on the other hand, boasts built-in RAM and CPU limiters, allowing you to control how much processing power the browser uses, freeing up resources for gaming or other demanding tasks. Now, let's talk features. Chrome shines with its vast extension library and seamless integration with Google services like Gmail and Google Drive. But Opera GX brings unique features to the table, including GX Corner for gaming news and deals, built-in Twitch and Discord integration, and a customizable browser theme. When it comes to customization, Opera GX takes the lead. While Chrome offers themes and extensions, Opera GX provides in-depth options to personalize the browser's look and feel, with custom colors, sounds, and even animations. Finally, user privacy. Chrome has faced criticism regarding data collection. While it offers privacy settings, it's deeply integrated with Google's data-driven ecosystem. Opera GX includes a built-in VPN and ad blocker, offering enhanced privacy features right out of the box. However, it's essential to review and configure privacy settings in both browsers. So, which browser is better? Chrome is a solid choice for its vast extension library and Google ecosystem integration. Opera GX excels with its performance control, gaming-centric features, and customization options. The best browser ultimately depends on your individual needs and priorities.